Hey guys, today we are replacing and calibrating a Mercoid pressure switch. The previous switch had kind of rusted out and was no longer able to be adjusted. So now we're going to throw on a new one and get it all set up.
Okay, so we got 62 psi in the system. We're going to lower the cut in and cut out until the pump turns off. We're still at 62, right?
Correct.
Okay, there it went. So it shut off right there. So we lowered the cut in and cut out till the pump shut off. Now we need to use water and see where the switch cuts in. So crack that valve behind you so we get some water coming out. Maybe like halfway. That's good. Now look at the gauge. I want to set the pressure to come on at 40 and shut off around 60. So we had it shut off at about 62, but we want to see if we can get it cut in at 40. We're at 40? Yep. Okay, so we're going to raise the cut in and out. There it goes. Pump just kicked on, right?
Yep.
Yep. And that was that at 40 psi? Perfect. So we raised the cut in and out. And let's see now, when we get to about 58 or 60, I'm going to lower just the cut out screw. And then we'll test it again. Go ahead and shut our flow. That'll speed things up. Then we'll have a no flow scenario. Go ahead and check our pressure. Give me a read. What do we got?
We're at 46.
46. Okay, cool. Let me know when we get up around 50, 58, 60.
58.
58?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to slowly turn my cut out adjustment. Here we go. What's our pressure?
58.
Cool, so it just shut off at 58. Now let's use some water and see if it comes on at about 40. What's our pressure?
52.
Okay. Keep giving me updates as it falls.
50. We're at 45 right now.
Okay.
44. 42.
There's 40.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to raise the cut in. Oh, it did it on its own. 38?
Yeah.
That's perfect. I like 38, 58. Okay, go ahead and shut the inlet valve. Perfect. I could hear it click when it went. So that turned on at 38.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're climbing. Give me what's our pressure now?
46.
Cool. So I like that. I was about to adjust the cut in, but then I decided not to, just to see it go down a little bit. I can live with 38, 58. That's perfect. What's our pressure?
It's 58.
Okay, it should cut out here. There it goes. Beautiful. All right, that's working great. You can go ahead and put that cover back on, and we're all set.